Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is January the 5th, 2020. The location to where we trade different, and as well we are your trusted source of news according to the price chart. It's time for an update on Litecoin. But before I get started in that update, I always want to remind each and every one of you that we are the simplistic way of understanding where the market is likely to go in cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities. Wherever there's a price chart, we are the location to give it to you the easy way. You appreciate the content, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on our Facebook page because that is going to be the location of which we will place our outcome from our price forecast on our own website. Okay, this is not the only location to where we are implementing and showing our price forecast into the market. Is on our website at HueFinancial.com, and the results we're going to place on Facebook. So make sure you follow us there as well. So when we talk about Litecoin, we have continued to allow our forecast to play out in Litecoin ever since the 23rd of December. We did an update video in Litecoin on the 29th with the expectation that Litecoin was going to continue to see those higher prices. Now go back and check out that video from the 29th, and we did notice that sellers would come into the market right there at $44, and that is precisely what occurred the next day. But again, the strength is still dominating this cryptocurrency at this point in time, so much so that we came right back up to $44 today. So you had two opportunities to make sure to grab that TP out the market from our forecast on the 29th. So you could have got about 2% out the market in Litecoin from that particular analysis. Now it's been a very long time for the market in Litecoin from the 23rd to hit our resistance area of around $44. 5 days. Okay. Now, granted, what we are getting into the market in Litecoin, this daily time frame, is still looking bullish. But we have to keep that into context because we are noticing that this area, $44, even $45, is where the bulls will have to overcome in order to push this price higher in Litecoin. So when you look at Litecoin on the weekly time frame, you can still tell that this market is vying for just that. It is trying to continue progressional movement higher, which is a positive thing because this week, even on last week, the market in Litecoin did push price lower, but it was overcame by the market participants to continue to push it towards the high of each weekly price bar. Those things are very positive in Litecoin, that we're vying for this market to continue to see higher prices. And another thing that is positive is that the market in Litecoin is holding $40 for support. As long as that market continues to hold that for support, it's going to try to continue its movement higher in price. Okay, so looking at how the market in Litecoin is hitting our TP price, we are going to go ahead and get rid of it now. 2.25% if you were to get out the market right now in that forecast. All right, let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. I'm gonna see what we're actually getting in Litecoin at this present moment in terms of weakness. Now, I do like the fact that $43 has to be support in order for us to really see a bigger move to the upside in price. We could dip back down to 42, which that's not a concern, but we just won't move as high as what many people may anticipate Litecoin to do. So I still like Litecoin moving to the upside in price, but again, the concern is, will the market be able to push price above $44? Until that time, weakness, in our opinion, is still controlling the market. So that's the only thing that we'll be on the lookout for in Litecoin, is to see whether or not the market will have enough momentum to have breakage above our resistance area. So we're going to play the market in Litecoin with continued movement higher. Our initial support area is going to be right there around $42. Okay, we have to stay above that in order for the prospect of Litecoin breaking above $44 to stay active. Okay. So this is going to be our expectations into the market in Litecoin. We are still going to expect this cryptocurrency to continue to see higher prices. Again, focus needs to be on support at $42. If it breaks below that, then this market is still going to hold consolidational trading, to which $44 is that resistance area and that consolidational range. And then 40, I would say maybe around like $39.50 will be support. Okay. So that's going to be the next phase to see if Litecoin cannot break above $44. But currently, we're expecting the market in Litecoin to continue to do just that. Based off the daily time frame and the weekly time frame is what we're basing our forecast on in terms of Litecoin seeing those higher prices. All right. So again, questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I will see you on the next one.